girls that like to party, drink Bacardi straight and talk about star signs. I'm in love with girls that like to party, drink Bacardi straight and talk about star signs. Oh, you got a thing for me.
Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking into this YouTube video. Today I have a Valentine's Day get ready with me. So if you want to know how to achieve this look and what outfit I'm going to be wearing, please stay tuned. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's move forward with the video. Bye guys! Hey everybody, I am coming here today to do a Valentine's Day get ready with me, and even though I'm single, like really single, it's okay because I know that my man, he's gonna come and I'm gonna love all up on him. So without further ado, whether you are single or not, let's go ahead and move forward with this Valentine's Day get ready with me. Alright, so right now I'm just going ahead and using my primer. Y'all know I have oily skin. That's something I always have to start off with. And I do go ahead and set my primer with my Maybelline Fit Me Powder in the shade Dark. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is the NYX Born to Glow in the shade Deep Ebony. And I am going to be using two different concealers today. I'm going to be using the Born to Glow and then as well the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I am using the Fit Me loose powder in the shade Deep this time to go ahead and set my concealer. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with just a little bit of my Huda Beauty loose powder. And then I have to go in with my Bay of Life Tammi by Makeup Revolution contour palette. My camera cut off while I was doing the rest of my eyes, but that's okay. We're going to keep on moving. So now I'm just going to go ahead and brush off that powder. And now on all the areas that I went ahead and highlighted, I'm just going to go in with my Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 375. And this is my second Day of Life, my Master Chrome highlighter. Y'all know I always use this to highlight. And then to top off this look, I'm going to be using my Everyday Nude, which is definitely chocolate girl friendly. Alright, so we did our makeup, we're looking all cute, we feeling ourselves, but now it's time to lay this wig, honey. Alright, so the hair that I'm using is a rig from Osili Hair Company off of AliExpress. I will leave the link down below. So I really do like this hair, but I'm gonna let y'all know now. This hair came super duper thin and I did order 250% density. Now you're looking at the screen and you're probably like, Patricia, what are you talking about? Like, the hair looks good, like it looks thick. I actually ended up buying another bundle and I sewed it to the back of it. So I'm just giving y'all a little heads up, you know what I'm saying? And now that my hair is done, it's straightened out and it's looking so shiny, so neat, and so beautiful. Like, honestly, I did that. Like, wait, I really did that. Wow. Look at me. I'm beautiful. But the clothes gotta be changed. Let's go ahead and do our outfit. Ma'am, what's the problem? Why are you not in your outfit? What's wrong? Oh no, put the wine down. Girl, put the douce down. No, man. The Pringles. I mean, they lightly salted because you're trying to be a bad bee, but you're a bad bee. You're a bad bee. You know, right? You know? Yeah, you are? All right. I need you to say it with a smile on your face. Come on. I'm right? Yeah, I'm right. So let's go ahead and put on our outfit, and remember that just because you're single, it doesn't mean nothing. Let's go ahead and put on our dress. Yes, now this is what I love to see. I love to see it, all right? You're living your best life. You're beautiful and you're worthy. Don't ever forget that. If you are still watching, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And single or in a relationship, I hope everyone has a wonderful Valentine's Day.
I'm in love with girls that like to party, drink Bacardi straight and talk about star signs. I'm in love with girls that like to party, drink Bacardi straight and talk about star signs.